Hello and welcome back to this short video all about how to start and finish your letters. Okay, so if you are writing a formal letter and you don't know the name of the person you're writing to, then you need to start your letter with Dear Sir or Dear Madam. And then you're going to write your letter using the normal procedure: purpose paragraph, paragraph 1, paragraph 2, paragraph 3. You can then have a closing remark, although this is optional, but you do need to finish with yours faithfully. Yours faithfully. So if it's formal and you don't know the name, it's Dear Sir or Madam, finishing with yours faithfully. However, if it is a formal letter and you do know the name, then you're going to use their name. So you're going to write Dear Mr. or Mrs. Then you're going to enter their family name. That's the last name or their surname, some people call it. And then you're going to write your letter as normal. Then you can have a closing remark if you wish. Then you're going to finish with yours sincerely. And notice yours sincerely, the S is a small s. So capital Y, a small s. So if you do know the name, use it. That is the key rule. And finish with yours sincerely. And finally, for an informal letter, you're going to use their name because it's going to be a friend, so you'll definitely know their name. If you're not given the name, you can make the name up. So you can write Dear John, so use the first name, don't use the last name or the surname. Then write your letter as usual with the 4 paragraphs. Then you can have an optional closing remark, such as I hope to see you soon or I look forward to hearing from you. Then you can sign off with kind regards or best wishes or take care or see you soon, and then write your name underneath. And that's it. That is how you open and close an informal letter. So just quickly as a summary, make sure you are clear about the level of formality. So obviously you need to have decided if you're writing an informal or a formal letter. You need to use the appropriate open or closing that I've just shown you, depending on what type of letter it is. And also the commas are actually optional. So I always use commas, so I write Dear Sir, comma, and I always finish yours faithfully, comma. But they're actually optional. You don't have to use commas if you're not used to using them. It makes no difference. Nowadays, it's optional to use them or not. But that's essentially it. Make sure you learn those 3 different ways and you'll be fine writing any type of letter for IELTS.